Do you usually spend the day just scrolling through social media and watching videos? Now, we know everybody loves watching videos, but doesn't it sometimes start to feel like you're wasting your time? Do you feel that way if you can actually earn by watching videos? What if we tell you that there is a way to do that? Do you want to know how you can do that? Videos on TikTok and Facebook, Instagram, they're fun and they're a really enjoyable way to pass the time and be bored. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Now, our first website for today is called u-cubes.com. That's with a Z. And over here is where you can actually make money online. You're able to view websites, you can complete surveys, and you can also watch videos. They've already sent over 20,000 payments already, and they have over 750,000 members ever since it was established in 2007. This is where you can earn some extra cash or advertise your site to over 750,000 people on the website. Over here, you can actually see a video attached, and you can actually watch the video to learn more about how the website works. If you scroll lower, you're gonna see that you can also refer friends, and you can earn up to 15% commission from those referrals and even the referrals of those original referrals. So you can view ads, you can again get paid to view websites, explore the internet. There are paid surveys. You can do online surveys and tasks in exchange for real money. People can actually also promote the business on the website, promote your business over to 750,000 members. They've delivered over 75 million ads views to date. And you don't even have to worry, because this is actually for people who use the website to promote businesses and for the people who are here to buy the products. You can also earn money by watching the videos provided by their offer walls. Now, this is what actually is going to be the main focus of today's video. And last but not least, we are going to get paid. They have a lot of payment options available, like PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot more. Now, to begin, all you have to do is sign up. And to do that, all you have to do is go on the sign up button right here, and as soon as you click it, you're going to be brought to this page. All you have to do is type in your details, put in your email address, and then re-enter it for confirmation. Create a password, confirm that, type in your full name, your username, gender, the date of birth, and then your country. And in the text box, you can just put nothing at all or write about the channel. It's up to you. And then tick the I'm not a robot box, and finally click on register by clicking on register. You are agreeing to the site's privacy policy and terms and conditions, and you basically already know all about that stuff. Log into the account. You can choose any video that you want to watch. As soon as you're able to do that, you're going to be redirected to a page that looks just like this. So you're going to take this video for our example for today. It's 4 minutes long, and the best part about this is that you just have to actually watch a video for 30 seconds to at least a minute. And the amount of money that you can earn, it depends on the amount of time that you actually spend watching the video. Now, let's go ahead on to the tips and tricks that's going to help you make the most out of your earnings. And as soon as you have started watching a video, all you have to do is add more tabs, click on more videos to watch all at the same time. And that's literally everything. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer. PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. You're going to select a video. You're going to play that video. You're going to mute it. And you can actually do this just like over and over again. watch the video simultaneously. It's going to allow you to earn more money in a shorter period of time. And another thing that you can do is to go to the settings, change the playback speed to ×2, and this is actually going to speed up the video. And by doing this, you're just going to have to watch a 30-second long video instead of a 1-minute long video. One more tip that we have is that you can actually change the video quality to the minimum. This is helpful for those who are on mobile data or have really slow internet connection. It's going to make the videos load faster if you're watching a lot. And last tip is that you can watch the videos on as a lot devices as you possibly can. You can watch them on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet, on your TV. And in that way, you can actually play a lot more videos all at the same time. And you can get a lot of money all at the same time. The second website that we have is called bucksinside.com. We've talked about this before, but let's go on a little review. You can get paid every 10 seconds. You can get paid just to browse their advertisers' websites, and you can cash out instantly. Now, the minimum payout of the website is $2 only. And as a member, all you have to do is, view ads, and you're going to earn. Basically, you can earn just by watching the videos for 10 seconds. And the website also, it offers a lot of payment methods like Payza, Advanced Cash, Gold Money, PayPal, Bitcoin, and many more. To start, head to the top right corner of the screen, click on register. You're going to be brought to this page where you're going to provide some basic information. As soon as you're done with that, just go and register, and you can then go log into your account, start watching videos, and earn money. Third website is called fusioncash.net, and the website is just the same as all of the ones that we mentioned, but it's great because you can get a $5 bonus when you sign up for the website. All you have to do, confirm your email address, complete a small survey, you can watch videos, complete tasks, download mobile apps, play mobile games, refer your friends, and a lot more. Click on this pop-up button and you are going to be brought to this page where you can sign up for free. Now let's move on to iRazU.com, and on this website is where you can actually earn free gift cards and cash. Now this website has been featured on Crazy Coupon Lady, Yahoo, which is big, CNN, which is big, The Penny Hoarder, and The Wall Street Journal. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Now this obviously indicates that the website is legit. And for you to earn money, all you have to do is complete the steps. First, you need to join iRazU. Score free cash or gift cards just by completing easy tasks. You're going to invite your friends and your family to earn even faster. Then you're going to have to earn points. You're going to share your opinions. You're going to play games, and you're going to watch videos. Everything you do earns points. And finally, you can choose your reward. You can get paid the way that you want, and they are going to send in those rewards every single week. You can select from like the biggest brands like Amazon, or you can pay or transfer it and turn it into PayPal Cash. And our last website for today is called itsappnana.com. It's very similar to all of the other websites. All you have to do is watch videos to earn money, and it is also available on your mobile phone. All you have to do is go on the Play Store or the App Store, download it for free. It looks like this, so make sure that you remember how it looks like. If you don't trust any of the websites, go on over to trustpilot.com, fact check maybe, see if it's reliable, its ratings, try all it together because it's how it's going to make it most effective. Start making money online, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.